Hi guys, this is the new Canon camera I'm unboxing. I was gonna get a better one, but just have to start off low. So it's the Canon PowerShot. I've already unboxed it once, so it's just to see how it is, and I'm just unboxing it for you guys. Here's all the specs. Can't really see it that well. So yeah, it's just so you see what it comes with and stuff. So you get the camera at the front. Oops. Canon. It's 12 megapixel, I believe. You've got a screen here, your options, and just other menus and stuff to actually capture, to turn on and off the camera. This is to zoom. You've got a flash just here that pops up. You've got a lens cover. I'm just getting better lighting. And you get just something you stick on a tripod, so like, because when I'm going to be making videos, I'm going to like stick on a tripod, so I don't have to move it around that much like this. So memory card and battery. We also get a battery. It's a Canon battery. It's 940 amps lithium ion battery. We also get a cable to connect to the computer. So yeah, you connect this to the actual camera and you connect this to the computer. I'll show you how. Here you have a little plastic thing or rubber you pop off, and then you get one HDMI and one for that to connect to computer. We also have battery charger and a thing you connect to the battery to charge it. So this connects, I'll show you in 1 minute. So like this, I'm going to be unboxing a tripod and a memory card in another video because it hasn't come in yet, but yep, new camera, and you'll hopefully see better videos, more stable and everything else. Bye. So this is how you stick in the battery. So you just push this there, and then you get the battery that I've charged just for this video, and you just stick it in there, push it until it clicks, and you close. You hold this button and it turns on. So the camera is like, you can't really see here, but it's like better quality, better gradients. Like even here when it's like pretty dark, it's like pretty bright. You get the camera. You even got like a rubber piece here, and yeah, that's it. A not bad camera, to be honest. I'm probably gonna be holding it like this. I'll probably hold it like this or something. Then you can use this to zoom the knob, so you just like that way. So I also connected one of these. So this is with the camera, just you see it's like way brighter. I was just playing the Cruise 2. If you want gaming videos, just comment it down below. It's gonna be better quality, it's just for now because I'm holding it with my hand, but yeah. And I'm hopefully gonna be moving on from this iPhone 5S camera quality. That's pretty shit. So thanks for watching. Bye, and I'll probably see you in 2-3 days.